Hello friends and welcome. I'm Sarah Liz. I'm so excited you're here. I have two big things to share with you. Number one, this is absolutely going to be an unboxing of the Weekender Retreat kit. This is the Spellbinders Retreat that's coming up at the end of May. And then I also have a huge announcement. And so maybe we just start there. The announcement is that I get to teach in the Weekender, which is absolutely delightful. One of the first events I attended when I came back to card making a handful of years ago was the Weekender event, and I had so much fun. The kit is jam-packed, full of supplies for the event that's on at May 29th and 30th, and it goes on sale today for club members. So if you subscribe to any of the Spellbinders clubs, you have early access, and then if you're not a club member, it's a short wait. 2 days later on April 22nd, that kit will go live, but I know that that's a big investment. So I wanna walk through the whole kit with you step by step, what's in there, so you can decide if that's a good investment for you. I will tell you, I'm a sucker for a critter, and we definitely have critters. But more than that, there's sort of an art style to this kit that's unlike anything else I have in my stash right now. So I'm really excited to share it. All right, so here's our kit, and the artwork on the front gives you a little sneak peek of kind of what we're doing in these classes. It's called The Weekender Goes Wild, and we've got toucans and a sunset. We've got a little waterfall. When you open this up, you'll find all of your supplies really nicely packed in here. It also includes a booklet that has all the information you need to join the Facebook group if you want to be part of the Facebook community for the event. It has instructions and photos for all the cards that we'll be making in class. I'm not going to open it here. This information really belongs to the people who purchased the kit. So I'm going to set everything aside because it's very big, and then we'll go through the items one at a time. All right, so the first item I pulled out of my box is this adorable chameleon pin. It's so cute. It says The Weekender, and I think he is so stinking cute. He's gonna come up again. Then we get some die cut pieces. These are pretty fabulous. Like, you know how I feel about die cut images and printed images. I'm all about it. And this is a great way to make some quick cards in the theme, in addition to the die cut cards that we'll be making throughout class. So we have all kinds of animals. I think there's two of most of these. The florals in here are absolutely stunning. There are some really beautiful birds, and you know I'm a sucker for a critter. Look at that guy. But my favorite part is at the very back, and you've got, again, two of each, so you can make two box cards out of this. In the back, right, there's two of these. This is your back panel, and then your little toucan and your other bird layer on top. It will fold flat to fit in your envelope, but you get this beautiful dimensional 3D card. So fabulous. I love that they included that in here because you know how I feel about interactive cards. So I'm going to set those aside. Then we have the Color Block Tropical Stems stencil set. There are 5 stencils here, and I like that the coloring on the back makes it really clear which stencil layers go together, but you can do this in gold. You can do it in silver and different shades of green. There are so many beautiful ways to use this. I will reach for this in my class, and we'll use just bits and pieces of these stencils. I wanted to get really creative with it. Then we have the Go Wild Sentiments stamp set. Enjoy the adventure, stay fierce, don't blend, be bold, go wild. Hello, life's a jungle, you're a force of nature. I love these, and I like the sort of scripty, wild scripty font that they have. There are coordinating dies in your kit to go with it so that these will cut out beautifully. They're really easy to add to your card projects. You also get a colored cardstock pack, and it's a thick pack of cardstock. So I'm going to open this up. I love the colors that we have, and it's all the new Spellbinders color wheel cardstock. Let me grab my scissors. Which means it's nice and thick and super smooth. You will have instructions from the instructors for homework for the class so that you're all ready to go for each of the classes, and you'll know exactly what you need to cut out and from which colors. So don't start cutting things until you look at the instructions. But we have a couple of shades of green, okay? My very favorite orange, it's this sort of marigold color, We have a sort of orangey yellow. It's a little more muted behind that. And then there are tons of blues in here. This one's my favorite. That's Oceanside. If you don't have Oceanside, I have packs and packs and packs of it. But you can see how we get just this incredible rainbow of blues. And then we dig into our reds and pinks and we get a bunch of those. This is such a great way to get a good sampling of the cardstocks that just recently were released, like in the past year from Spellbinders. So we have our pinks and reds, and then we have an orange, this purple, that's another favorite, right? Which one is this one? I think it's Orchid. Nope, this one is Violet. I love this one as well. This with a little gold on top, so good. So we have purple, and then we have brown. Obviously we have some branches we need to cut some brown out of, white, gray, and black. Okay, so you get an incredible selection, 20 half sheets. I like the half sheets. It just means you get a wider variety of colors. So I'm gonna set that there for you. We have a 3D embossing folder, and like all of Spellbinder's embossing folders, this fits a half a sheet of cardstock. But they really went to try to get as much as possible out of this, because this one has two completely different patterns on the two sides. Let me put a darker color behind that so you can see better. Okay. So this one is like an A2 panel with flowers and leaves, a little sort of blank space in the middle. And then over here, you get this really great texture and a really super beautiful deep emboss. So we'll be using the embossing folder in my class. We also get a pack of rub-ons, my friends. I love a rub-on. There's so many great things you can do with it, especially when it comes to shaker cards. And there are two different sheets in here. So we have some sentiments. These little birds are so beautiful. And then we've got flowers, some more greenery, right? And then this birds of paradise plant and a bunch of sentiments. This can do some really great, very quick cards to help you extend your stay at the Go Wild Weekender event. I'm going to set all this aside because next are the dies, and I know that's what you've been waiting for. All right, so there are 7 die sets in the kit. One of them is the die set that coordinates with our stamp set. And then we get Tiki Toucan. He is absolutely majestic. I love the different layers we have on here, and I love how the front of the package really uses all of the many, many dies in here and shows you how to put them together. But these mixes and matches with so many of the other die sets that are in this kit as well. So I love that one. One of the die sets that goes really well with is Huey Chameleon. He's so cute, you guys. And you can see he's just like waiting to hold on to this little branch here. I may be using Huey on a card for my class. Then we get Jungle Blooms. This has some extra leaves and fronds and things like that that are really great for decorating the other spaces on your card. So when you combine the 3 of these, right, you've got a couple different sizes of those Monstera leaves. You've got leaves in lots of different shapes and sizes that help to create really great visual texture. So I love the ways that those 3 work together. We also have Jungle Cat. This one is so clever, and I like that you aren't going to have to do any like cutting out for background colors. This is going to layer right on top, okay, so that you get the black dots showing through without having to fuss very much with different pieces. Super elegant. And then also very elegant is the Birds of Paradise. I am a sucker for a cute critter, but I don't have a lot in my stash that has this sort of elegant, dramatic feel to it. And I'm really excited that this is something I don't have yet. I love how huge that leaf is. And there's so many ways to sort of move it and layer it up to make it look like the die set is even bigger than what you see here. And then there's the big mama set. It's called Rainforest Falls. I'm telling you, absolutely enormous and stunning. You've got some rocks, you have your waterfall, a sun, clouds, right? You've got all these different pieces to layer up a scene. or you can use just bits and pieces of it to create a completely different scene, right? So we've got other background elements in these die sets. And I love that that just gives you tons and tons of options. The Weekender kit is always a screaming deal too. So instead of paying like retail value for all the individual elements in the kit, you get kind of a discounted rate. Plus you get classes from amazing instructors. I mean, I know I'm teaching in it, but you guys, it's like Jennifer McGuire, Nicole Spohr, Kim Kesty, Giannis Makula, JC Gaspar. Like I feel honored to be joining such an incredible lineup. So I'm excited to make everybody else's cards as well. The last element I have to share with you is one of my most used Spellbinders products. I love the Color Essential Gems. This is a special edition version. So we've got some black ones that you can use for eyes on your critters. And then these are sort of a milky white. These look like the ones you usually get in the Crystal Mix version. It usually has like the white ones and then some clear iridescent ones. And they're stunning. I love the different sizes. So these are teeny tiny on the end here. It's the only place I've ever seen gems quite that small, especially with an adhesive back. So to review, we had gems. We have 6 die sets, right? Rainforest Falls, Jungle Blooms, Birds of Paradise, Tiki Toucan, okay, Huey, oh, nope, Jungle Cat first, and then Huey Chameleon, okay? So die sets. We have our die cut pieces, including 2 of these layer up box cards. And these are really sturdy. Like this is not thin cardstock, so it's going to hold up really, really well. And then tons of other individual elements there. Our 2 pages of rub-ons. Our 3D embossing folder. 20 sheets of cardstock. Our Huey Chameleon pin. Our stamp set and coordinating dies. And our 5-piece layering stencil set. So a ton of stuff jam-packed into this kit. Friends, I hope that you'll join me. I will leave a link in the description box below the video. It is my affiliate link, so Spellbinders knows that I sent you, and hopefully they'll let me do this again in the future. Friends, I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I will see you next time.